Is it gone? Now it is. There's Missy. She's got to take a picture of my flowers because I can't go nowhere. Okay.
Oh my God. Now you got a picture of my hand. Here they are. Pretty flowers. It's raining. It's pretty flowers. They're loving the rain. Thunder. Your pretty flowers. Ooh, that one looks really cool. Dear Froggy. Looks so pretty.